You're competing this year at Tairāwhiti as a returning champion. How do you think you're going to go?
Ko taia tu tātou ki te urunga mai o te rā e ko maru ana ngā hihi ki runga i te kapa o Waihirere. He kapa I umai ngā rāo mua, he kapa e mau tonu nei I te mana o te auhaka.
Feeling pretty good. I think we feel pretty confident. This is whanaunga 4. We've got 2 more left and I think we're in a really, really good space at the moment, just heading into cleanups. And I think the overall vibe of our tira is really good at the moment.
It's about keeping the gates open. It doesn't matter where you're from. Yeah. And I think if you look through the years of kapahaka and waihirere, you'll notice that there are people right down Stewart Island to the top of the north.
You know, as adults, we put yards into learning kupu and learning actions, and these kids, they're just rolling around the pa. Then you get home with them on a Sunday and they know all the words, yeah. They know all the actions, they know who's teats, they know who's meke. It's like they're probably the biggest and meanest judges out there as our kids. So, you know, koera tētahi mea nui ko te whānau, ko ngā tamariki, rātou I te tuaka I ki roto I tēnei ao. As long as you can come and align and roll with how we roll, then pai ana tērā. See?
Miharo. Ana, kei te mōhio whānuitia e te motu, he kapa OG koutou. Ko te pātai a whaiake nei, ka pēhea tā koutou pupuri ki ngā āhuatanga onehe e pai ai tā koutou anga whakamua ki te auhou.
You know, haka overall in the past few years has changed a lot. You know, more modern styles have come into play. We see it in other rōpū. But one thing I've always loved and appreciated about here at home in Te Tairāwhiti is that we often will always stick to our taira, but find ways to modernise that. Just from the past few years, we've been made to, and pushed nicely, to start leading in, you know, the creation of items, actions, all of the on-the-floor stuff too. I would say that that's also another big difference here in Tairāwhiti.
E mea ana te kōrero, ka pū te ruha, ka hau te rangatahi. Kei ngā rangatahi o te motu, maranga mai. Kia koe te mārei kura e kōka Louise, te wahine a tāhua rawa atu o te auhaka, kua tū ki te nuinga o ngā matatini. Ina hea koe timatai ki tēnei kapa.
I have been in here in Matatini since 72 and I retired last year, but to take a back seat is exciting. The new is taking over.
Let's be real though, it does get challenging at times.
Oh, it certainly does. Very hard to sit there with your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. And then next minute I'm sitting there going with my hands. Tall people, get down.
The power in the sound. Your sound comes straight out to here. Okay? So there's no need for you to do this because it goes out there. Nowhere.
Ka rawe o mahi e te kōka, wepu a ka tika. Hoi anō, ka te pātai whakamutinga, te hakai mua I te aroaro mo te whakataitai, te haere mai nei.
Just being able to enjoy each other and have fun with each other, because that's something we've always been really good at as Waihirere and as club, is getting up and doing what we love, but loving the people around us as well. No matter what, we've got each other's back, and at the end of the day, we're Tairāwhiti through and through.
Just give our all to try and get that top spot and hopefully come home with the trophy again.
Kanui rā te mihi kia koutou kei te karapu a Waihirere. E kāna te ahi hiamo, te mātaki atu ia koutou hei tēnei mutinga wiki. Kia pāreka reka te tū, kia te Tairāwhiti te tū. Tupuriri ia koe tapa, tupu konuru wakai nā tukua, hei iuwe.